Alright, we're back, and we're continuing on our front suspension adventures. Does it have a backup on the other side?
I don't think it does. I just think it just got suspension.
It does have a backup.
Does it really?
Backup.
You still got sticks to the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, you got.
Okay, go for it. Feel a little tighter.
Ah!
Yummy.
That hurt pretty good.
Oh, I bet it did. Like that, I had it set up.
Oh no, it's not gonna work.
Alright, put it on the bolt.
The line, it's not working.
Yeah. Okay, Mundo, can you hold up that side?
Ooh. Yeah. Where are you out?
The center link. Hold up that side of the center link. Well, there's no wheel connected, so you just kind of have to grab the shaft and turn it.
Yeah. Oh, I right there? Hell no! What the? Goodbye. Oh, goodbye.
Where's the camera?
Right here, wait.
Point at your ass. Point it out to work.
Here, fucking. Put it like. This nigga, bro. When the pimp's in the club, yo. Oh, fuck. Back to the bottom of it.
Alright, I think that's good.
Oh, hey, you got it on.
Oh, hey, it's backwards. We have to disconnect that real quick. We have to disconnect that one real quick.
It's backwards.
Yes.
This has to be going that way.
So disconnect that one.
So I think that one goes here.
Okay, kick it off. Stop, it's just bouncing up and down.
Near.
There we go.
That looks more right. I think it literally. Oh no, it's because it's backwards. All I gotta say. It's backwards. Always make sure your center link is straight.
What'd you do, Jimmy?
It's all backwards.
What do you mean?
What did you do?
It's not backwards.
You see how small that hole is compared to that hole?
Then how is it supposed to fit around that part of the frame?
Like that, nigger, or like this.
That's not how that works. That's how come it's not right there. It's that part of the frame.
Fuck no, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
Fuck no, it ain't. This is supposed to be on this side. Look how easy this fucking tire fits in here, buddy. Yeah? Yeah?
Alright, then how do we even get that bar out?
That's what I'm doing right now.
Alright, don't break the bushings. I say we just lift it from that end and just go walk.
Yeah!
What's up? Doesn't that look backwards to you? Or is that right? We may have gotten the tie rods backwards.
I'm pretty sure it's backwards because does it rub against the cross member?
Oh, we haven't checked yet. Oh, yeah. Because that's not a mover. So it is back. Oh, so it won't work.
It was right.
Okay, well, no reason for that.
Now put that back and see if it turns again.
Don't ask where we got that from.
That's the wrong. That cross member looks completely wrong.
No, it's the same.
It's the exact same.
Okay, where'd it come from?
The Nova.
Then it's not the same.
We compared them.
How is it not the same?
The Nova's different
Not that much different.
than the Camaro is.
Not that much different.
We put them right next to each other.
Why don't you just go take a picture of your Nova?
Well, explain to us what to do here then. Our issue right now is the fact that these don't fit unless we turn that around.
Well,
No, his stabilizer was on the right side. His stabilizer was on the right side, not the left.
go look at the Nova. That's
No,
probably
because
where
that
your
was
answers
Still, the
The Nova's
stabilizer
already
was
put
on this
together.
side.
no, it wasn't.
It wasn't?
No,
It was on the side.
because that has to be on the driver's side at all times.
Okay. Oh yeah.
are. Yeah, it does. Yeah, he's right. The gearbox will be on the driver's side.
Unless we... What if we rotate this one and then just stick it on this side?
We could do sketchy shit on this car because he's probably going to crash in his first race. We already...
Nah, I got faith in it. Maybe give it like a race or two, and maybe something will collapse.
We are hoping for the best, expecting the worst. So we're expecting to crash
This
first
is
race.
This is why I think it's gonna fall apart because of shit like this. Where's the bolt to this side? Why isn't this? This is his control arm. No, no, Evans, no. On the other side, again. Shred, you said he.
Yeah, that's why we couldn't get that on.
I wonder where the other bolt's at.
What if this is too?
Right there.
What if this is too long and that's what's making it look bent? Same length. Very same length. Never mind.
Welcome back. It's a little later in the day, if you can't tell, but same day. I had to find one of these bolts. That was a pain. This should be a lesson to all you teenagers. Put them in Ziplocs, please. That was a mission and a half. Now we're gonna jack up this side. Hopefully get it to where we can put this bolt in again.
Where's that enough? Release the strap too.
Yep, an explosive. Torque to spec. Center link time. We could put the old one that Grandpa refurbished for us on there.
No, you already bought a new one.
Grandpa's pissed I bought a new one. I'm sorry, Grandpa. Thank you. So I bought the center link specifically made for this car. And we're having the same issue that we did with the Nova one.
Okay. Where's your tie rod? Put your tie rod in.
Go for it.
Going this way is too big the other way because it's like.
It's tapered on the other side.
Yeah.
Then maybe that's the wrong tie rod. Will the other one fit?
No.
Will that tie rod not fit in there? Or fit in the other one?
No, the tie rod bolts up to that one just fine.
Because it's like fatter here and it comes to skinnier, and that's how it is. It's bigger and it comes to a skinnier one on this side.
Okay, then spin it around.
But then it's gonna hit this with this bar.
Not that. Spin the tie rod around.
Yeah, but then it's gonna come in contact with the frame when you're straight.
You have one of these backwards.
All right, put that. Let's nut this down again.
We had
shit.
because whenever we completely took both of these apart, we put these onto the wrong one. Still on the wrong side. Alright, so we're taking these off. We put them on the wrong side when we completely took this whole.
Which could have been the issue with the Nova one too.
Yeah, so we probably didn't even need to buy a whole new center link. We could have made the Nova one work. Go Gadget Extendo GoPro.
Extendo GoPro.
You're actually lying. This is one size bigger, or like 2 sizes bigger.
You guys get to watch me now since I'm better.
Give me bomb.
That came out pretty easily. And then we just go like this. Then we go like this. And we're still in the same situation, I won't bet you.
Huh?
Can you try and line that up?
No, not flip it around. We take that one over to this side.
Oh.
It goes in like that.
Like this?
Yes.
So we angle like this?
Yeah, you see what I mean? Because if that's going up into that, then that can come back into here, right here. See what I'm saying?
Okay, so I put this side in. Oh shit.
Now we're just spinning it.
Yeah, that might be an issue. If I had the pickle fork, that would be. Did you get it?
Yep.
Alright, there we go.
Now that I think about it, look at how I have this side connected. That looks right. We have these too tight. I think we have these too tight. I think we just have it ugga-dugga too tight. Not that much, Jesus Christ. It should be fine.
Well, the bushing should be a little smashed on there.
Why do you want to just spin? Hold on. Ow.
I was putting my weight on fitment arm. Yeah, like that.
Fuck, I slipped and hit my knee.
You good?
That hurt. Come on.
Hang on, move. I got idea. Well, you don't have to move.
It's just spinning in place, dude.
It's not even spinning. We'll pull off.
This one's slightly too big, that's why it's not doing it.
How's the threads?
The threads are good. These are shot. Goodbye. I don't know if that's it. Look at those threads. You can literally see that. That is cross-threading. Well, you have that right now.
I guess we can just hug-a-dug it and hope for the best. Or we take it inside and fix the threads. Worst that happens is I'm fixing a shit ton of threads tonight.
Nope.
Well, I fix those threads tonight.